So basically, when you're developing, you normally have two things, a project and a virtual environment. And they're in separate locations. And we're using Virtual Env Wrapper to manage that. So Virtual Env Wrapper knows where to look for projects and it knows where to look for virtual environments. The only thing that's missing right now is that we want Virtual Env to know which project is coupled to which virtual environment. Now let me show you some typical usage. I want to work on the project requests, and for that I'm going to clone the requests library from GitHub. Very well. So now we have a new project here. We can move into it, etc., etc. And I can make a new virtual env with the make virtual env command. Now, and as you can see, this is different from the virtual env command we used previously, because the virtual env command would create a virtual environment in my current working directory. But the make virtual env command from Virtual Env Wrapper will actually make it in my .virtualenv directory. So it will make it in the right location. I don't have to worry about that. And I can make a new virtual environment called requests. And the nice thing is it doesn't just create it, it also activates it immediately, as you can see at the start of my prompt. So that's all very nice, but let's say I deactivate this for now and I move somewhere else and I want to work on requests. Well, that's nice, it activates requests, but it doesn't move me outside of my home directory. And I'd like it to move into my development environment immediately. And we can fix this by moving into requests, like this, and then I say set virtual env project. And this couples my current working directory to my currently active environment. And as you can see, it says setting project for requests to users Reinert dev requests. So now it knows which project directory goes with this virtual environment. Again, now if I deactivate it and move somewhere else, what I can do now is say work on requests. And I'm not only in an active environment right now, I'm also in my project directory. And that's what we want.